Moss or algae growth on your patio can turn your chill hangout spot into a slippery hazard real quick, so you gotta handle it right to keep things safe and looking fresh. First off, cleaning is key. You can grab a moss killer from your local store, just spray it on where the moss or algae is thick, let it sit like the instructions say, then rinse it off. Pressure washing is another solid move if you have the tool or can borrow one. It blasts away the gunk super fast. Make sure your patio has good drainage because standing water is like an open invite for moss to grow back. If water pools up, think about fixing slopes or adding drains to keep things dry. Sunlight helps too, so trim any overgrown bushes or trees that block the sun from reaching your patio. For regular upkeep, sweep your patio often so dirt and leaves don't pile up and create a cozy spot for moss. Also, avoid using harsh chemicals that can damage the surface or plants around your patio. Stick with eco-friendly options if you can. Lastly, think about sealing your patio surface with a waterproof sealant to keep moisture out and slow down moss growth long term. One of the biggest issues with moss and algae on patios is ignoring drainage problems. Water just sits there, and moss loves that. Fixing this means making sure water flows away properly by adjusting slopes or adding drains. Another common mistake is skipping regular cleaning. If you wait too long, the moss gets deep-rooted and way harder to remove, so stay on top of it with sprays or pressure washing. Lastly, people often forget about sunlight. Shady patios are moss magnets, so cutting back plants or trimming trees can make a huge difference in stopping moss before it even starts. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to tackle stuff like mossy patios safely and effectively. It's also perfect for contractors who want to get more work by connecting with people needing their skills around the house.